Hold your breath for 5 seconds. Easy, right? You won't even notice. But what if for those exact same 5 seconds, the entire planet held its breath too? Don't panic, it's only 5 seconds. Nobody's even going to suffocate. Except in that single moment. Earth will literally turn into hell. You'll lose your hearing, the sky will turn pitch black, and the ground beneath your feet will simply disappear. Don't believe it? Let's count down every single one of those 5 seconds. Second one. You think the worst part is not being able to breathe? Not even close. You still have plenty of air in your lungs. The real killer is the pressure. Oxygen makes up 21% of our atmosphere. When it vanishes in a split second, atmospheric pressure drops by a fifth instantly. That's the equivalent of being instantly teleported to the top of Mount Everest. Your inner ear can't adapt that fast. The sudden pressure drop causes immediate hearing damage and intense pain. And you know what the terrifying part is? Absolute dead silence. Sound needs a medium to travel. Without oxygen, the air becomes so thin that sound waves instantly die out. You could scream at the top of your lungs, turn to the person right next to you, see them screaming back, and you won't hear a single thing. Just a deafening, silent nightmare as the world crumbles around you. And that's just the beginning. That very second, the daytime sky turns pitch black. The blue color of the sky comes from sunlight scattering off atmospheric molecules, mainly nitrogen and oxygen. Without oxygen, the atmosphere darkens significantly, giving the daytime sky a deep space tint. Second 2. Earth's ozone layer is made entirely of oxygen molecules. Without it, our planet's protective shield vanishes in a single millisecond. Everyone outside, on the beach, at the park, on the streets of New York, is directly exposed to harsh ultraviolet light, which instantly becomes deadly dangerous. Second 3. Every single internal combustion engine instantly stops working. Cars on the highway, buses, trains, planes in the sky lose engine thrust and begin a rapid descent. And here's a crazy physics fact. Untreated metals will instantly weld together. Normally, a thin layer of oxidation on the surface prevents metals from fusing. Without oxygen, a process called cold welding kicks in. Cars, engine parts, and steel structures instantaneously fuse into solid lumps of iron. Second 4. Think you can hide inside a building? Bad news. Concrete is the literal backbone of human civilization, and the main binding agent in concrete and silica compounds is oxygen. Without oxygen atoms, concrete completely loses its strength and turns into dry dust. In just 1 second, every concrete building on the planet, every bridge and every dam instantly collapses like a house of cards. And now, second 5. The final act. What happens to the oceans? Water is oxygen plus hydrogen. Without oxygen, water simply ceases to exist. Every drop of water on Earth instantly turns into lightweight hydrogen gas, expands with a massive burst, and bleeds off into space, leaving behind nothing but empty, colossal craters. The Earth's crust, the very ground we walk on, is nearly 47% oxygen. It's not just the air around us, it's literally the solid rock beneath our feet. Without oxygen, the solid ground instantly crumbles into nothing, and everything on the surface, cities, cars, and people, goes into a free fall straight toward the planet's scalding core. Time's up. 5 seconds passed. Oxygen is back. The atoms lock back into place, but there's nothing left to save. Earth has been reduced to a dead, shattered wasteland of collapsed cities and boiling hydrogen vapor. So next time you take a deep breath, remember, this invisible gas is the only thin layer of physics standing between us and complete obliteration. Take a breath. Pretty lucky, huh? If 5 seconds without oxygen sounds like absolute doom, imagine the moon getting 10 times closer to us. Is it game over for Earth? Find out in the next episode. You won't want to miss this.